This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Etrade mobile app. First, download the Etrade mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, log in securely using your existing Etrade credentials or set up biometric authentication for quick access. The home screen provides an immediate overview of your portfolio, including account balances and key performance indicators, making it easy to see your financial snapshot at a glance. With the Etrade mobile app, you can effortlessly monitor your investments. Track your account balances, current holdings, and overall portfolio performance in real time. Dive deeper into individual securities by accessing detailed quotes, interactive charts, and relevant news articles. You can also create customized watch lists to keep a close eye on potential investments and stay informed about market movements that matter to you. Executing trades is straightforward with the Etrade mobile app. You can place stock, ETF, and options trades directly from your smartphone or tablet with just a few taps. After placing an order, easily review its status and receive instant trade confirmations within the app. Additionally, the app allows you to conveniently transfer funds between your Etrade accounts or initiate transfers to and from external bank accounts. Beyond basic trading, the Etrade mobile app offers powerful advanced features. Leverage sophisticated charting tools and a variety of technical indicators to conduct in-depth market analysis. Access valuable research reports and expert market commentary to inform your decisions. Should you need assistance, customer support is readily available directly through the app, ensuring you always have help when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.